Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for your time today. As part of your marketing committee, I wanted to go over the most effective way to market today. That is, marketing with a cause. Surveying shows that 71% of people are willing to pay more to support a cause than to buy a product of or item with no inspirational value behind it. By focusing on what attracts customers, we can greatly improve our marketing value and attraction. Customers want honesty. They want to feel like sellers aren't hiding anything and that they can be trusted. They also want a little wow factor, something that others will see they have and want it too. People like showing off and having the most on-trend item. We as a company need to find a way to give them that. Desirability. They also want transparency. This allows them to build trust in us and to feel like we are on their side. And this leads to attainability. We need to present our houses as something they can afford and maintain. So what does this mean and how does it determine our audience? This means we need to be more transparent and honest in our marketing by being open about all the aspects of our development. Clients want transparency, so we will give it to them. However, what we want matters too, and we want clients not to be scared off by the knowledge that their future houses are built on a landfill. How can we meet their needs and ours? By targeting the perfect clients. We want people who are eco-conscious, financially fiscal, progressive, and trendy. Honestly, that doesn't seem like too narrow of a group. In fact, I just described one of the largest portions of the housing market, millennials. What many millennials want most right now is an eco-friendly way to live. It seems like everything these days is focused on going green. From toothbrushes to clothing, everything is recycled and repurposed to cut down on environmental damage. What if we could offer the biggest green move yet? A greenhouse, so to speak. We have all we need, a compelling, emotion-grabbing motto, an inspirational buy, desirable housing, and sustainable land to live on. We're saving the world, modern heroes supporting a cause that just about every young 20 to 35-year-old is getting behind. So let's look at some stats. 68% of millennials have purchased an eco-friendly product in the last year. 80% of Americans are drawn to eco-friendly brands, and 92% of Americans say they are more willing to buy from eco-friendly sellers. What this means for us is that our dirty little secret can actually be our greatest marketing ploy, a cause for the company. We can draw customers in using honest facts. 250 million tons of waste is produced each year in the U.S. alone. That's over 1,000 acres of land, 400 feet deep of trash in a single year. We currently have 2,000 landfills operating in the U.S. and 1,000 more closed down. 2.7% of Earth's habitable surface is already covered in housing, which doesn't seem like much until you consider that 50% of habitable land is being used for agriculture, meaning we need every useful piece of land we can get to provide food. Food cannot be grown on landfills, but houses can. 77% of people admit to wanting to live greener. Our housing provides a way for people to reach their goal of an eco-friendlier lifestyle. So let's talk about some concerns that our clients may have. Is it sanitary to live on a landfill? Part of eco-friendly living is cleaner, not just greener. Will it cause health problems? Harmful substances could get into the water, right? Our clients don't want to get sick. What about the smell? Are gases leaking? Is the property going to smell like hot, rotting garbage on a summer's day? What about if they want to move? Will this bring down property value? These worries are all valid, but we as sellers need not fear. The answer all came in our EPA report. We got a nearly perfect sanitation report showing that the land is as clean as any to live on, thus relieving any health or cleanliness concerns. 99% sanitation rate is better than most apartment buildings. Let's consider how this would look in actuality. Meet Joe and Georgia. They are a young, newlywed couple looking for a house they can build a life together in. They have good jobs and high goals of wanting to change the world together. The only problem is they aren't sure how to do this until they see the clean house. It's a marketing solution that goes with the motto, change the world where you live. It's houses built to change the world. They're eco-friendly, they're new, affordable, and in a great suburban location. People want to feel like they can make a difference, and by marketing our houses built on landfills, we're showing them how they can. So what's in it for us? Let's talk about the benefits. Having a target market saves us money in advertising and gives us a cause to market, which in turn will increase our profits. But most importantly, it will give our company credibility and transparency, which will attract a larger audience to us in the future. In conclusion, marketing with the landfill is our focal point where we inspire people to buy our houses, increase our revenue, and maintain our reputation as an honest and upright company anyone can rely on. Thank you.